questions I get a lot is how does the 3D logo come out when we print it out, whether it's on a t-shirt or a cup or a paper. In this video, I went to the printing store and I want to share the journey with you. Join me. I designed my logo on Canva, and after designing it on Canva, I downloaded it as a 2D with a transparent background. So I used the PNG option and I selected transparent background. If you don't have transparent background on Canva, you can trial it for 30 days using my link below. Or you could use websites like erase.bg or remove.bg to help you out. I then went to Photopea and I used PSD templates. And I clicked on mockups, and then I scrolled down and I picked a mockup that I wanted to use for my exercise and for my t-shirt. So I went with this logo mockup. So if you double click on it, it opens up the mockup. So I'm going to print a mockup so that we do this experiment. Samina, you asked, so let's have a look. Once you get to this process, you're going to double click where it says your logo here. Then you're going to hide the text that's on the 3D mockup. Then you're going to click and you're going to drag your 3D logo. You're going to size it on the design. And then you're going to Command S or Control S or go File, Save as Smart Object. Or you could just press Command S. Then it will convert it to a smart object. To export the file, the printers want a PDF format. So you must always ask your printer what format they want. My printer wanted a PDF. Usually they want a PDF. I would then rename it and then save it. Done, printed, it looks like this, and I emailed it to them. This is what they said to me when I got there after I've emailed it to them. I'm with Utumi from Chilli-Pix Digital, and she's going to answer your questions that you keep on asking me when it comes to printing all of your logo questions. My people have a question. Okay. The big one that they have when they are printing 3D logos and they are designing them, how do they come out on cups and mugs and t-shirts and things like that?
Like any design that you bring to us, we just print it exactly the way it is. If we don't like it, we tweak it a bit and then we send you the design so that you can actually give it a go ahead, and then we print it out for you. But all our design and all our t-shirts, they just hundreds. They're perfect.
The printers, I was told that my logo was very basic and it came out looking like this. I was very happy with it, and it turned out quite flat because I think that's the design of my logo. It's very flattish. It doesn't have a lot of ups and downs. One thing I did learn though through this exercise was that communicate with your printers. Have them email you how it's going to look like and email them back or communicate with them back and forth until you're eventually happy before you print out a lot of products that you're not happy with. So that's the one thing that I did learn from this whole exercise. So if you want me to do more exercises like this, maybe on a cup or something, let me know. Thank you so much for joining me for this short tutorial. I will see you on the next video.